Welcome back, viewers. Today I am going to show you how to plant a cutting of Vermillionaire. You can plant it by cutting the branch of a plant. This is Cuphea plant. It is also known as Vermillionaire. It is a full sun plant and it can be grown in part shade, but in part shade it will get lengthy, and in the full sun it will get compacted and flower profusely. You can fertilize it twice a year, and for containers it is a very good plant. It likes a temperature from 68 Fahrenheit to 80 Fahrenheit, and it is a very good flowering plant. Keep its soil well drained and keep watering frequently, and add some coco peat for moisture retention. And you can keep it in your garden for a very long time, as it is a perennial plant. It is loved by hummingbirds. So today I am going to show you the soil layering method of propagation. You can see this is the branch and it is a lengthy branch. Just scratch it a little bit from here like this, and just bury it in the same pot like this. Keep some part of the branch in the soil from where you scratched, and keep the other end out, and bury it 1 to 2 inch deep. After 1 month the roots will develop and our new plant will be ready. Stay with us. In the same video I am going to show you the result. So after 1 month, viewers, you can see this is our plant, and you can see it is going down from here and coming out from here, and there is a new growth. And let's just check if there are roots inside or not. Last time I showed you, just scratch it like this and bury it, and now let's just check. This is after almost 1 month, and this is the very easiest way of propagating your Cuphea plant. It is not coming out easily, which means there are roots, and you can see our plant is ready. Now we just need to cut it, and you can see this is our Cuphea plant ready. You can see roots are developed very well, and after planting, pinch your plant so it will get more bushier. I am going to pinch this cutting and its mother plant to make it more bushier. And this plant, mother plant, is in this pot for very long time. I pruned it a month ago. Now I am going to prune it further and it will get more bushier. You can see the flowers. These are small flowers. Hummingbird went crazy for the flower nectar, and this plant flowers in clusters. Now I am going to show you how to replant this plant. This is sand soil. I am going to add cow dung compost, not much because this is a young plant. I am going to add more compost after a month. Mix your soil well. This is 10-inch plastic pot. I am going to pot it in this and I will keep it in this pot for a full season. After that I am going to shift it in the ground. So put your new plant in the soil 2 to 3 inch deep and compact the soil so the water stays in the pot. So viewers, this is the video showing you how to propagate Cuphea plant by soil layering, and this is the easiest method. So if you like the video, like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Enjoy gardening.